Hello and welcome to this lecture, which I title, Why is it important to optimize your website for SEO? What many people overlook that are marketing products online is just how important it is to optimize their websites for SEO. Some may just not realize the benefits they could obtain if they did it. Some do not do it because it's complicated and time-consuming to do a good job of it, and still others don't think they have the technical skills required to get this work done. Many a marketer's core instinct is to try to put a product in front of as many people as possible in the hope that one or more of those who suddenly get presented with an ad will check it out and make a purchase, so they run around on the internet trying to get the best CPC deals that they can find for their marketing budgets and then hope that their sales, actually their net profit margins, exceed their advertising costs. The goal of SEO is to get people to find you on the internet. But even this is too general a thought. The true goal of SEO optimization is to have a person who is looking to purchase exactly what you are selling key in exactly the right search words into a browser search line that, when his or her search results are returned to the screen, shows your product at the top of page 1 of that query. A needle in a haystack, you think? Well, consider this thought then. When you are competing out there with thousands of others in your business niche that are also pushing ads out in front of people using CPC methods that often only last seconds of time in front of those spending time on the internet as these potential buyers scroll on past to look at the next web page entry on Facebook, because at that moment in time their cognitive thoughts are really not on buying your particular product from you, what really are your chances of closing a sale? Phrased another way, how do you manage to pick exactly the right thing to say, presented exactly in a way to catch a person's attention in such a manner that they click your ad and choose to buy from you instead of someone else, if at all, at exactly the time your ad is passing through their site for a few seconds of time? Even if they manage to click your ad at that time out of curiosity, are they actually ready to buy this product from you? This method of marketing is not very easy either. The difference between this and the organic search marketing is that it costs you money to try to find this needle in a haystack. Now compare this CPC push marketing approach to being well positioned to be the receiver of a search query by someone actually looking to buy your type of product as they key in search terms for your specific product type into a search engine while hoping to find you because right at that point in time, they want to find out more about and possibly even purchase specifically what you are trying to sell. In this example, your advertising may very well be nil and your odds of closing the deal if they find and click on the link to your sales page is much higher than someone enticed in an ad that was originally pushed on them. And you often have to give away a lot more to get them to click on a pushed ad. You usually have to bribe them to get the paid click to your product, which also erodes your net profit margin further. Getting found by a targeted organic search by a consumer wanting to buy is the holy grail of online marketing. If you can get this right, you can make a lot of profit at the lowest of all marketing expenses. That is to say, this is as close to free marketing as you can get. So what are the key roadblocks to doing this? Why don't more online marketers do it? It takes time and it takes work. More work than many marketers are willing to do. And that is if they knew what to do in the first place. It is much easier to set a budget for marketing and to try to push your products in front of people and then hope you sell more than your advertising costs. So this is what most people marketing online do. Now you understand the difference between CPC and organic marketing at a conceptual level, and you have more of an appreciation for how difficult organic marketing can be. In my next video lecture, I will discuss in more detail the things you need to do to be successful at organic marketing. And it goes way beyond figuring out some good keyword phrases. But if you do the work that you need to do to get this set up properly, which is why many do not do it, by the way, you can make great profits from each sale as opposed to just marginal profits, or even losses on the sales you bring in using a paid-per-click approach. That's all for this lecture. Bye for now.